Hope you enjoy the new intro and I have a new outro. But yeah, today's video, Dollar Tree haul. We have $1.25 and a couple $1.50 things. But we're back at it with some new Dollar Tree items. Subscribe, let's get into it. So our first $1.50 items are the Bob Ross Little Happy Tree air fresheners, and this one is in Balsam and Cedar. Probably pronounced that wrong. Then we have the Double Bubble Watermelon. Then the Fruit Chews Vanilla. Then the Bob Ross Fresh Linen. Then we do have some of these kinds. So this is the Blow Pop Apple. The Double Bubble Tropical. And then we have the Blue Raspberry. Oh, that is strong blue raspberry. But we got those. So that was our $1.50 stuff. Then on to $1.25. So we have the Hydro Beauty Softening Makeup Removers, and these are in coconut extract. And you get 25 in here. So we got those. Then we have some new towels. So this one's SpongeBob. I know I have another one somewhere. Yeah, I can see it. But yeah, so it's a nice big towel. I don't know if you can use it face, hands, I guess whatever you want. And then the other one is Garfield. So super nice. Then we have the Lee Mercier like viral lip glosses. So this one is the new packaging and this one is the old one. So I got one of each to compare. And the new packaging, I did try it and it is clear instead of like the pink. So in the different, like, you can tell. So this is the new packaging and this is the old packaging. Took me a while, but I realized it. So I got one of each. But let me know if you guys have picked it up and which one you prefer more. Then we do have some old collection. We have the PH Kiss Lip Balm in Apple Crisp. Then we have the Zodiac collection, the lip mask in pink. Then the lip gloss in purple gold. I love this one. Then the other collection, and this is the lip plumping serum in honey ginger. Definitely my favorite from the collection. Then the Mood lip balm in pink. And it's the green one. Then we have the plumping gloss stick in sorbet. I love this. So got that. Then we got the other lip mask in red. Love the packaging of this. Then we have the other plumping lip gloss in rose. Then we have the energizing glow mist. I actually love this. So got that. Then we have the liquid blush in raspberry spice. I live for this. So we have that. Then we have the Calm Brown Brow Tattoo. I love this. And then the last thing from that collection, all that, is the Golden Wheat Highlighter Stick, which I love. Now on to the next. Then, of course, whenever I see this, my favorite lip mask, I will snag it. So, got that. Then, once again, if I see this, I will snag it because I can never find it. I love this cooling face stick. It is amazing. So, got that. Then, we got the Extra Care Hydro Plus water gel with hyaluronic acid. So we got this. Let's open it to see. kind of forget what the packaging is like, honestly. Okay, yeah, it looks like that. So we got that, and I'm super excited for that. Sorry, I'm putting everything in the bag under me. Then we have the SpongeBob Citrus Shower Bar, and it's in the citrus scent. So that's exciting. Then, speaking of SpongeBob, we got the little guava face, thingy. So we got that. Then we got the Patrick Shower Steamer Bar, and in cotton candy, which I'm super stoked for this one. So we got that. Then we got these new pens, which I've never seen before, and when I saw them, I had to pick them up. Look how cute they are. So, colored ink. Oh, so purple and green pens. So we got that one. And then we got this set too. So, had to have these. Then got the lip jelly and cheek tint in coral. I love this one. Then we have new colored mirror, and this is like this pink color. I love these mirrors, so got the pink. We got the wacky lip balms in blue raspberry. Love that. Then we got the Prolux foundation in sand. No, this is shell. Again, I'm still trying to find the exact shade for me, so got that. I love this foundation though, and the new formula doesn't smell. Then go with that. I got my favorite primer from Dollar Tree. It's this. Love this. Then we got the frozen lip balm in vanilla. Yeah, had to have this. Then we got the Extra Care Extreme Renewal Face Cream. I'm super stoked to try this. I've seen this on TikTok and people rave about it. So we got that. Then I just picked up another pillow scrunchie because I love these, literally. And then, speaking of scrunchies, got this one for 1 cent. Then I did pick up the Heart Everyday Valentine's Day plastic straws, heart-shaped straws. They do have these for $1 at Walmart, which I did buy and I will haul. But for now, then we got the banana scented Bear lip balm, which I'm obsessed with. I love this. So we got that. And then we got the little hair resistance mat. These are a bomb deal for $1.25. So one of these. Then we got the Nivea creams. So we got the first one is Ginger All the Way. Then we got the Love at Frost Sight. Let's take an Elfie. And I Love You So Much. So I'm pretty sure they're all the same, like scent. They're just different packaging. So we got those. Then I found another of the creamy caramel scented, dupes for something that I can't remember. But anyway, they're little lip balms. Then I got a Le Mercier Flawless Finish Full Coverage Concealer in Flawless Finish is the shade. I'm excited to try this. I like the foundation, so let's try the concealer. So we got that. Then I got the Marie Claire Eyelash and Brow Serum. I haven't tried this in forever, so let's try it. So we got that. Then I just got another of the lip balms because I do like them. So let's get one of each again. Then we did get some more shoe charms. These are going on my Vogue bag. So got those. Super cute. And then randomly I found the glass nail file. These are amazing. So of course I snagged it. So got that. Then I got 2 hand sanitizer cases. Got the like dark pink one and then the orange to go with the sanitizers, of course. Then, can you quit? Cat's attacking the charger. Then I got the black heat resistance mat. These are phenomenal, by the way. If you haven't tried them, I definitely recommend you trying them. Also, we got the Sheer Nude Hydrating Lip Oil. I'm very excited to try this. So, we got that. Then we got the Light Medium Powder Foundation. When I see this shade, I will snag it because this is probably the best like powder foundation ever. So, of course, we got that. Then we got the Vibrating Under Eye Massager. Excited to try this, so got that. And like that foundation, when I see these, I will pick them up. These are phenomenal. So another grab of those. Then got the brow lamination. Then we got the other two new colors of the mirrors. So we have the blue and the purple, and I love these, so I'm so happy to see new colors. So got those. Then this is new. I saw this and I thought it was super, super adorable. So we got that. Then I finally found all three colors of the makeup totes. Cosmetic sack. Great for travel, multi-compartment. So we got the blue one. I don't know how it's multi-compartment really. I guess because it's two zippers, I don't know. But we got the blue. And we got the pink. And we got the green. So super cute for $1.25 honestly. So got those. On to the next. We got the green tea setting spray. I love this stuff. Then we got the dragon fruit soft liquid blush and cheek. Then we got the grapefruit extract lip glaze. It's like all the sparkles in it. Then the raspberry spice blush. Then I love this powder. It's the loose baking powder in Ubi, cool pink. And then I did find more of the glass nail files. We got the green, and then we have these two prints. These are phenomenal. Pick them up if you see them. They're great. But that is it for this Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely comment down below what you guys are on the hunt for, what I should be on the hunt for. And yeah, definitely subscribe and enjoy the outro. Thanks for watching.